Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up eSIM on VIVO V50e. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then go to SIM card and mobile network and now click on add. Then click on next. And you have to scan your QR code. Then click on setup. And here you have to enter your verification code. And now click finish, and as you can see my eSIM is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.